Good morning, TYB fam. Welcome back to another video, another banger. And this morning we are on our way to S5X Performance in Irvine to finally get some HKS lowering springs on Susie. Susie will no longer be a monster truck. I know a lot of people have been telling me lower it, hurry up and lower it, stop being a weenie and lower it. And today is finally that day. We got a good deal on some springs, brand new, and a good deal on some labor prices, because you know I am not doing that shit myself. Maybe one day, but not today. Is not that day. On our way there, we're gonna go ahead and lower Susie today. Hopefully we don't run into any rubbing issues with the tire setup we have on there, but we'll figure that all out when we get there. And yeah, if you guys haven't already, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, join the TYB family. I promise we lit over here and we building a beast. Yes sir, we have made it, and we got some good on the BBs outside. Y'all know I love this color, and little Emphysy. I feel like we seen this car somewhere. Is that an M2? Another something over there, M3 probably. But yeah, S5X Performance already got a Susie in there. They finna get my boy right. He got the yikes on there. That shit look good. They finna finish up the other Susie, and then we finna get the real Susie right. I can't wait to see her lowered, because I'm tired of her being a monster truck. So we just got a call from Jay from S5X, and the company that was supposed to ship my springs hasn't even shipped them yet. So we can't, unfortunately, as it's looking right now, we can't even install the springs today. But he's going over to a shop that he thinks has them in stock. So he said hang out for a few minutes. He's gonna try and pull some strings and see if he can get some springs and pick them up right now. We're pretty much waiting on that. Hopefully he can get them and we can install them today. Yeah, otherwise we drove an hour and a half for no reason, and we have to figure out another vlog to do today. All right, so before we left, or before we got some good news. I seen this M3 sitting outside on the white TEs, and he got the red Yeezys in there. White on white looks really good. I ain't gonna lie. You know, I'm not the biggest fan of white wheels, but now that I see it like on a car, like actually installed, this shit looks actually player. So we got some good news. He's going to get the springs right now, and we're getting some free lunch. They're gonna go ahead and they're gonna record the whole install, all that stuff they offered, because they have a nice camera. So I said, they was like, you know, we can drop y'all off at the mall and we'll record it and send you the footage. I said, fuck it, double win. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna do that. Show my first time in the Tesla. How do you open it? Ooh. Meanwhile, while they are installing the lowering springs on Susie, they're gonna be doing some B-roll and getting some vlog footage on that. So thank you to S5X. So we're here, we're gonna do some shopping around, and we're gonna cut to the B-roll of them installing the springs on Susie now.
I mix the X with the Molly and now I'm too geeked up. She all on her back with her feet up, with her knees touch when we teed up. I hate the first phase I get freeze up. Give me some juice I could lead up. She got some friends, tell them bring them. And don't bring that guy, we don't need him. Pole on me, no dancing. Whole game, you just acting. You could try your chances. We can make it happen.
Meanwhile,
damn, son, you got money. Where you getting all this money from? You got the waterfalls and shit in the back, like, damn, what you get? Oh, there she is. Ooh, damn, she looks slammed. She looks so much better lowered. I'm surprised it doesn't rub that low. No more monster truck Susie. They finished. My boy right here and my boy Cody got me right. So thank y'all to them. If y'all need any work on your Supra, BMW, whatever it is, they gonna hook you up. Their @ and their Instagram is right here, so y'all go make sure y'all go check them out. But here is Susie sitting way, she's dirty, so don't disregard the dirtiness. It just rained, but it's slammed. That shit, whoa, it's tucked in there. There's like no, that's like perfect. Oh yeah. Bro, I don't even know if I'm gonna make it up my own driveway anymore. Well, fuck it, this thing looks way better. What you think? What you think?
Looks exactly the same.
Her your nose look exactly the same every day. Fat ass nose. Yeah, bro, this shit looks good. It looks more aggressive on the ground
For sure.
when it's lowered. It's crazy how much like this much will do to a car. Sick. So what's up with this one right here? My boy Cody putting in that work.
This one's actually getting the HKS coilovers.
Okay.
Yeah.
So he's going the big boy.
Third.
And he's got the wheels I want too. Yeah, he's got the TEs on there. I don't know what lip that is, but it's pretty clean. Yeah, for sure. Super, super clean. Yeah, the TEs, fire. Fucking cool little pista outside. Sick. And they got some cool little builds. There's a BMW wagon put up on the other side, and then a Rari, little pista. That shit's clean. I want to hear him fucking drift that shit. Ooh. You hear the turbos on that mug? First little test drive, test run. Have no real destination. They did recommend me to get an alignment, but I got my boys at Firestone that's gonna hook me up. Hopefully they do it for free. They said they could do it for free, but I lost the receipt, so we'll see what happens. And I can feel the alignment's not bad. Like I'm going straight, and you feel me? It's not really pulling to the left or the right any which way, but it does feel heavier, if that makes sense. Like just steering the car, it feels like it has like no power steering, kind of. Don't really know what that means, but it's not like extreme, like I can't turn it. It's just there's a little bit more resistance, and this is how it felt before, when before I had gotten alignment earlier. It's pretty stiff. I like it. The ride, it's smooth so far. No complaints at all. We're low boys now. Like, I'm really a stance guy at this point. Yeah, I'm a stance boy. I don't care about Lambos. I just care about camber and rotating tires. That's all I care about right now.
Aren't you on bags?
Huh?
You're on
No,
bags.
I'm static. What do you think I am, a pussy?
Yes.
Static.
So your neck here, so.
Might be a little more bouncy. But like, it's not bad though. I think it's just the road. All right, y'all, so we had stopped and tried to go to a Firestone to get Susie an alignment because she needs it. It's not bad, I can drive it, you know what I'm saying, but I want to really dial her in and get her right and perfect. You know, I'm a perfectionist, so we got to get her right. But on the way to Firestone, we couldn't find the Firestone, but we found something better. We ran into Lamborghini, Bugatti, McLaren of Newport Beach, and we're gonna go around, look at the supercars. Y'all know I love the supercars, but you know I'm really a JDM fanboy. I'd rather have a R33, R33. Fucking fat neck, fucking hippo ear ass, bro. You built like a fucking giraffe.
Turn the camera. Show me your neck here. Yeah, look. They all unsubscribed.
But yeah, y'all, we're gonna go around, look at the supercars, get some inspiration. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully y'all get inspired like me, just to work harder and look around, and hopefully we can, you know, be successful enough one day to, you know, acquire some of these cars. This is McLaren of Newport Beach. There are some McLarens. I think these are McLaren GTs. I think that's a 720. Let's go look at the 720. These motherfuckers is player. If I were to get a McLaren, I would get one of these. But I hear that McLarens are super finicky. I've never had one. That's just what I hear so far. How much do you think this shit hitting for? Like 400? It for sure needs to be lower, bro. Look at the monster truckness that's on that shit. Interior on these is player though, I ain't gonna lie. This is a 675, all the carbon on the bottom. Sick. This one, bro, y'all know silver is hard. 675 LT. I know these bucket seats hurt after 30 minutes, but they look so good. Yeah, one day we're gonna be able to come in here and just be like, I want that one.
Just hop out and Try to take it out.
Man, and then freaking drift it around the corner. If I buy this shit and drive it off, bro, I'm doing freaking 11s throughout the whole store. Like, just look how player this shit is. One thing about exotics is when you're buying it, it's just luxurious. Oh my God, look at this car on the outside. Like when you're buying JDM cars or importing it, like the process is not as luxurious and you know, clean like this. You kind of just gotta really look for it. But that's a part of the fun too with JDM stuff. But you know, you don't really get the luxury of this. But whatever this is, what is this, a 620R? It's gotta be special. Anybody who knows more about McLarens or exotics, let me know. This got the freaking carbon roof scoop. I know if it has a carbon roof scoop, this car is expensive. Here, a beautiful yellow GT3 Porsche with the Michelins on there. The Michelins, the Michelins look good on this car. Going on a little test drive. How much? What I gotta do to test drive it? What I gotta do to get behind the wheel of one of these? Look, I'll give them the keys to Susie if they let me just test drive it. They can be like, this freaking poor man's car. Oh, see, he know how to drive. Let me see. Pull off in that mug. Now this, the GT2 RS, is the ultimate spec Porsche that I would, if I was buying a Porsche, this is what I would buy. It's so player. But for some reason, like these cars, like they don't do well on YouTube, but they're such good driver cars. They sound amazing. But it was like, what I would do, like these stock wheels, perfect, big wing, perfect, carbon hood, vents, side mirrors, everything's perfect. The only thing I could see myself adding is a lip, maybe diffuser.
What you should do?
And
just take all that shit off and put like bullshit. Take off the big wing, add some bullshit rinky-dink ass tires.
Oh, like an AutoZone hood scoop? Yeah, I'd put that. Hood scoop? Looking like a baby in this year is finna crawl off. Huracan boys. Ew, it's a drop top? That's nasty. This one's sick. I don't know whose car this is, but it's sick. Got the forged carbon wing. Got some wheels on it. Does this one have a... Yeah, this one's got a forged carbon wing too. Pretty sick. Well, they have 3 Veyrons in here. Oh, a Chiron, never mind. Chiron. There's a Veyron. So all the fucking Boogiezis in here. Oh, this spec right here with the orange. I don't know about the orange wheels. The orange wheels kind of nasty, but the orange on the inside with the black is player. Like, come on. This shit is hot, man. This motherfucker hot. The orange carpet, the orange engine cover. They even got the little Bugatti right here. The Chiron, bro, this shit is player. I like these because you know the circle taillights look hard. This one got the peanut butter Geezys. These cars are so, this wheel alone, this factory wheel alone costs the same amount as my Supra. Just think about it. One factory wheel for this car is the same amount as my Supra. Crazy. $30,000 annual oil changes. Like, if you buy this car, it's like you have to commit to the relationship with it. Like, you can't buy this car and then just not take care of it. You have to take care of this car and commit yourself to it. Over here, I'm not sure if these are customer cars, so I'm gonna stay away. But SD over there looks pretty sick. And this Urus got some player ass wheels. Are these HREs? HREs on the yours? That shit player. This purple color right here, nice too. Line. Ooh, that motherfucker hard. Damn, that shit sound good. Gallardo pulling up. That motherfucker hard. Look at this Gallardo, is so fire.
The Gallardo is cool.
What? How did you say it?
I said Gallardo.
Oh, Gallardo.
Gallardo.
I'd buy one of these. Front bumper on it. He's got like a, it's kind of like a Mercy low key. It's a Super Trofeo? Tradali?
Bro, it's a
Dope.
Super Trofeo.
Bro, you don't know how to say shit.
Super Trofeo.
I'm gonna put TEs on this.
Tradition.
Bro, and he's got the carbon fenders. This is probably one of my favorite cars here. Turn on the McLaren. That shit sound good. That shit spitting fumes out. That shit sound shit. Alright, y'all, we're done. We're pretty motivated. I want y'all to get a good look at how low Susie really is. You can't even fit the phone under the car. If I had a carbon fiber lip, or if I had the bumper that's coming,
can't put your foot.
You can't even put the foot. And what I noticed when I got out of the car is I would normally be able to like put my foot right here, but like I'm already like kicking the stock side skirt as I like try to get close. All right, y'all, on the way home, we decided to take the Canyons on the way back just to test the suspension. Still no alignment, so it's not dialed in 100%, but just to test it out, it handles a lot better. There's a lot of traffic though, so I really can't push her to the limit like I want to, but we're just trying to see if we rub on any turns, and so far, so good. Beautiful view, and I'm pretty sure the people behind me are gonna hate me, but whatever. Oh, this shit feels way better. Hey, I got confidence in the turns now.
Yeah,
Bro, before,
you felt more, what's it called?
planted like to the ground. Before, I felt like I was finna float off this shit and like fly off. Like, cause the stock suspension was real like drifty and floaty. Like this shit, I feel like I'm connected one with the ground. Damn, is that a fucking avalanche? What the fuck? Okay. I didn't feel no rubbing. I didn't hear no rubbing. That wasn't like a full throttle flooring, but it felt good. It feels good. My boy Cody got me right, man. He's actually the one that installed my downpipe and charge pipe like a year and a half ago, like when I first got the car. Oh, Susie sounds so good. One last downshift for the boys. Oh. I know these people driving are irritated or tired of me, or they're loving it. You know, if it was me, I'd be loving it. But anyways, if you guys haven't already, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and always remember to keep it player. And this is exactly where Caleb almost died last time.
I got a staple, got a blip, we catching hella poles. I love some melon in the dark bitch on yellow. It get nasty when I'm fucking, you can tell cause she get sweaty. He say he getting money, I'm like, hey, who you telling my dogs? Catch me running to a bag, I'm in the corner like a Reza. Stella got me teed up.